Bonjour French ladies, just arrived in Paris and this is my hotel, not far from the Chanel store. I'm just waiting to see if my room is going to get ready. Wait. Hello French ladies, it's Marianne. I am in my hotel room and this is the view from my hotel room in Rue Cambon. A little bit of Paris for you. Look at this. You're in Paris with me today. Hello French ladies, we're in Paris here. That's the Eiffel Tower here, can you see it? The obelisk, Place de la Concorde. You are in Paris with me at the same time, yay! Hello French ladies. Still in Paris, walking around. I just had a lovely lunch opposite the Jardin des Tuileries. And now I'm walking along the Jardin des Tuileries in Rue de Tivoli. Bonjour French ladies. This is one side of the Louvre, the Musée du Louvre. Look at this. You're in Paris right now with me. This is the Musée du Louvre. It's gigantic. Absolutely gigantic. My breakfast in Paris, I'm having a hot chocolate with a mini croissant and a mini pain au chocolat. Bon appétit! What did I do yesterday? I arrived in Paris. I checked in my hotel, I walked to the Louvre, I walked into the Jardin des Tuileries to check where I would be going today for the shows, and I walked for about 6 hours. This is my outfit for the day, my green silk shirt, black trousers, my derby with black lacy socks. Unfortunately, no lipstick because we have to wear masks. So this is where I'm going, the première class. Shows then Who's Next, Impact, Man, Woman, and Silmo. I'm going to go there in about 15 minutes. You are there with me. I'm in the première class salon with lots of beautiful artisan shoes, so footwear and clothes and bags, jewelry, absolutely amazing. I left the fashion shows and I'm going to go for something for lunch. Go around the side of Jardin des Tuileries. Walking towards Alexandre III Bridge, with the Eiffel Tower in the background on a rainy day in Paris. A little taste of Paris for you. Café de l'Époque Brasserie, the Galerie Vérododa in Rue du Boulot in Paris. That's where we're going to have our dinner tonight. I'm having an aperitif now, the Bistrot de l'Époque, and then we'll have our dinner.